Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure new Relic on your VPS for app performance, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your virtual private server using SSH. Once logged in, update your package manager to ensure all packages are current. For Ubuntu, you can do this with the command sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade. Next, you need to install the new Relic infrastructure agent. To do this, you can follow the new Relic installation instructions for your specific operating system. For Ubuntu, run curl https://download.newrelic.com/install/newrelic-install.sh. Once the script has executed, you need to edit the new Relic configuration file. Open the configuration file by using the command sudo nano/etc/newrelicinfra.yml. In this file, add your new Relic license key under the license_key attribute. You can find your license key in your new Relic account under Account Settings. After entering the key, save the file and exit the editor. To start the new Relic infrastructure agent, use the command sudo system+start newrelic infra. Make sure the agent is set to start on boot by running sudo system+enable newrelic infra. Next, check the status of the agent to ensure it's running smoothly with sudo system+status newrelic infra. Now, you should install the new Relic APM agent for your specific programming language. For example, if you're using Node.js, run npm install new Relic save. Follow the setup instructions provided in the new Relic documentation for your programming language. Make sure to include the new Relic agent in your application's main file. You will also need to configure the new Relic agent with your license key. To do this, add the license key in the appropriate configuration file as specified in the documentation. Restart your application to apply the changes. Finally, log into your new Relic account to verify that data is being collected. You should start to see performance metrics and error analytics flowing into your dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully configured new Relic on your VPS for monitoring your app performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.